Hey guys. And a lot of feedback. Hey guys, Michael with iPhone Intact. Today's episode, iPad repair. It's not super fun, but it's not super hard either. There's not a lot of steps. There's some precision involved, and there's actually quite a bit of mess, but if you're up for all that, you can get one of these done, no sweat. Today, you may have noticed, we have a special guest in our studio. Ooh, she does not want to be disturbed. She's eating. That's okay. She's very happy with her soaked almond, so she's willing to forgive me for disturbing her, because it's such an enjoyable treat. So she's gonna sit with me and monitor today and just kind of do some basic supervision of my job here, and she'll be able to jump in and point out whenever if I get something wrong or I make some kind of mistake, or if I have any questions, she'll be here to help us along the way. So I'm gonna set her back down over here, and then we'll get to work. Too close to the edge, sweetheart. Okay. This thing is a little busted up here in the corner. Adorable. Up here, a little busted. Frame a little bit dented in. So once I get the glass out, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of twerking on this to get it right. I want to be able to maybe bring that back out so that I can fit a new piece of glass down in there. And I'm not gonna video the whole process. It's pretty tedious. I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna go around the outer edge and heat it up slowly. And as I heat it up, I'm going to first pick out some of these small pieces, and then I might start over here at this corner where everything's still solid, and hopefully get the rest of it off in one big piece. So I'm just gonna time lapse all of that, and then we'll jump back in once I've got all that opened up and ready to roll. Yourself. Get your shit together already. God. This one. So, I have the glass all loosened up from around the frame now. It's still attached. You see you've got the ribbon cables for the digitizer here, and very important to note, most importantly, the digitizer, or the cable for the home button. Whoa, little lady, easy now. And holding the glass in place until I'm able to remove the screws for the display and then remove the display itself is going to be important. I guess I could tear these, but you definitely don't want to tear the flex cable for the home button. So although the glass is physically separated, I'm going to leave it in place until I can remove the screws for the display, remove the plate behind the display to disconnect the display and the digitizer, and feisty. Then we will proceed. Join me. Join us. Here we go. Ready to do this? Or is someone tired? All right. We've traced the call. It's coming from inside your shirt. Hey there, little buddy. You ready? Can I shoot this video now? Okay, great. Hey, I'll tell you what, got a little something for you. You be a good girl. Sit there and eat that. So, there we have it, with an assist from our little friend here. A nice, easy iPad repair. I've done it here at my workstation, just as I've done many times before. iPads for the customer are a overnight thing. I pick them up, knock them out at my workstation here where I have all my tools and I can take my time and I can be with my friends and we can tag team these repairs together. And then now that the iPad is finished, it is packed back up in its case and is ready to roll on home. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stick around or come back as often as you like. You might even want to subscribe. Hit the notification buttons or the bells so you can get updates on when my friend and I here post any new videos. So they're coming, so just you wait and see. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Bye now.